Figure skating legend Dick Button is a familiar face to fans of ABC's Wide World of Sports ice skating coverage. But in 2000, a serious accident during a leisurely skate nearly silenced the announcer.
What happened was that I must have tried a jump, or I must have tried something and missed, and I fell. And I've skated all my life. I've fallen, 5 million times, and I've never injured myself. All of a sudden, this time, whammo, and it happened unexpectedly. When I fell, all I know is the blood was coming out of my ear, and I had a concussion, and I lost the hearing in this ear.
According to the Brain Injury Association of America, someone in the U.S. suffers a traumatic brain injury every 21 seconds, usually resulting from a blow to the head. Traumatic brain injury is a medical emergency, and symptoms can include vision and balance problems, confusion, and slurred speech. At the time of his injury, Button says he did suffer some of those symptoms and more.
Well, now let's talk about your road to recovery. Was it a long or difficult road for you?
Yes, it was a very difficult road for me, but it happened. I don't remember the first month. The second month is very vague to me. Some of my family was apparently told that I might never be able to balance a checkbook again, or that I might never be able to, certainly never comment on skating again, or that I wouldn't be able to run a business again. They were very good to say, I don't think you know him very well.
But Button, a two-time Olympic gold medalist and five-time world champion, proved that he could still beat the odds. After months of rehabilitation, including learning to walk again, Dick Button is back in front of the camera on ABC, and he's also taken on a new role as the national spokesperson for the Brain Injury Association of America.
One of the reasons why I'm a spokesperson today for the Brain Injury Association is that nobody else will come along and admit that they've had a brain injury. Well, I'm old enough and far enough along in this world that I can say I've had a brain injury. I'm also lucky enough to be able to say I have, I think, to a great deal, recuperated from that brain injury.
As a result of his accident, Button says he still has some hearing loss as well as difficulties with his memory. But as time passes, he manages to have a sense of humor about it.
And since then, it's gotten infinitely better. I hope. Sometimes I forget names, though, and I suppose I'm told that's not necessarily brain injury. That's just forgetting names.